Hi guys, I'm here and we have a new update about Grass Airdrop or Grass Foundation. This is just posted last night, last day everyone. So, yan, ito yung latest update ni Grass. Grass Airdrop 1, one of the most widely distributed airdrops in history, will take place October 28, 2024 at 13:30 UTC. Ayan guys, so kung meron kayong airdrop ni Grass Foundation, you will have to claim your airdrops syempre on October 28 as well. So syempre guys, dun sa airdrop checker nakikita nyo naman kung ilang allocation yung pwede nyong maklaim. So kailangan meron kayong sol na balance ninyo kasi syempre nasa sol chain siya. So sol yung gas na gagamitin para maklaim nyo yung airdrop tokens ninyo. So kung wala kayong SOL, kailangan bumili na kayo or magkaroon na kayo ng SOL kasi yun lang yung fee, yung gas na kailangan gamitin para maklaim yung airdrop. Guys, si Grass Foundation, ma-release din siya sa iba-ibang platform or exchanges katulad ni, ayan guys, si Bitget, ni KuCoin, BingX, and then marami pa. Yung iba namang rumor is that it will also be listed on Binance. So if that's the case, napakalaking good news, diba? Si Binance kasi diba yung top tier na crypto exchanges. So sana ma-list din siya sa Binance. And then yun guys, you need to have SOL and then wait lang natin yung claiming sa October 28 para ma-claim natin yung airdrop natin. And then you have an option to sell or hold yung tokens ninyo. So, depende sa inyo guys kung ano yung option ninyo or gagawin ninyo kung gusto nyo i-sell or i-hold lang yung Grass tokens ninyo guys. And then yun lang, this is just a short update, and if you want more crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorial, you can also subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye bye!